Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music in CapCut PC. So this is going to be a class on how to add music to video on CapCut PC. It's super easy, so this video is going to be short. This lecture will be definitely short. So to do that, all we need to do is to import the music we want. For this I'm going to be using a free to use music. Make sure that's what you're doing, a license-free music or someone you've paid for. So for this I'm just going to find in my video folder. I have a folder with effects, so I'm going to be using this particular one, so I'll just bring that in. Alright, so I'll bring that in like so, and now all I need to do is two things. I'll bring it in by clicking this plus sign. As you can see, it has added it here. As you can see, it's very long, so we want to trim that. So to trim that, we would go and trim that. Right, we'll trim that. I'm going to show you. We do Ctrl B. Okay, we don't need this again, so we delete that. And now you can see this is our music track. You can then reduce the volume two ways by reducing it. You can see where it shows that double arrow. You just click and pressing down your left mouse click button and dragging your mouse down, you can reduce that. The second way to reduce the volume is by using this slider where it says volume, and you just reduce the slider a bit. In subsequent videos I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out, but this is how to add music to video in CapCut. So if we play it from beginning, now this is what we'll get. Super easy, not complicated. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed.